it do, beauties? It's your girl Brandi Dione, and we are back with another video. So today's video is, I promise this time this video is going to be only a couple minutes long. It's not going to be long at all because it's just something that I decided to do a video on really quickly, because as I was going through my foundations and my makeup, I noticed that I do have a lot of products and mainly foundations that isn't really geared towards women of color. And this is just in my opinion, because I am dark skinned and I am women of color, and it can be hard to find shades that is geared towards your direct skin tone. So as I was going through my foundations, I noticed that some brands have really good products, but they aren't geared towards women of color, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. This video isn't sponsored at all. I'm just 100% real. So yeah, so I'm going to name about 3 or 4 foundations that I think is geared towards women of color, and I would suggest that you go check it out. They are a little on the high end, but I will have another video far as low-end foundations and low-end drugstore products. So just to let you know that this video is based off high-end foundations, and it will cost you anywhere between 30 to 50 bucks. So yeah, so I am going to hop right into the video. But before we hop right on into the video, y'all, we are at 41 subscribers. I am on the road to 100k. Not 100k, I'm sorry. I am on the road to 100 subscribers. So please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment, give me positive feedback, share this video on Facebook if you can, Instagram. I don't have a Snapchat, I don't have a Twitter, so if you can share that on those as well, then that would be helpful to me. And I promise to bring you guys awesome content and more frequent content and amazing looks for you guys. So definitely leave me looks down below, and I promise you that I will try and create those looks for you as fast as possible. But in the meantime, let's hop right into this video so that it can be short, like I said in the beginning, and it won't be too long. So let's hop right on into the video. Now, the first brand that I am going to name is actually one of my favorite brands. I use it for I use the highlighters in this brand. I use the foundation in this brand. I use the concealers. I use a lot in this brand. And the brand that I'm talking about is Becca. B-E-C-C-A. And the reason why I say Becca is because I use their Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the shades Mink and Sienna. And it looks like this. And the coverage is like so full and thick. And as you guys probably can see, that I am a full coverage kind of girl. So if I put any foundation on my face, honey, it's not going to be light. It's going to be full, because I just prefer full. Some people may prefer a light foundation, a medium coverage foundation. I don't. I prefer full. So if it's not full, I may can work with you, or may not just pick you up or buy you at all. Or you may just be sitting in my foundation basket just waiting to be used. But anyway, this foundation is one of my favorite. This brand is one of my favorites because it comes in a wide range of colors. The colors that I have is not the darkest that it come in. It do come in different shades. It come in about, I'm gonna say maybe 2 or 3 shades darker than my skin complexion. So I would definitely recommend you guys check this brand out. It's called Becca. The highlighters, they even have highlighters that are geared towards lighter skin tones and darker skin tones. Like they have a really gold topaz highlighter that is geared towards dark skin, and they have like opal that is geared towards light skin tones. So this brand is definitely my favorites. They haven't steered me wrong yet. I love this complexion cream. This is my go-to foundation. I know when I do videos, you may or may not see me use this a lot, but I'm telling you, this is what I use on like a daily basis. I absolutely love Becca's Ultimate Complexion Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. And I have like about 3 more of these each in the shade Sienna and Mink. Just because if I run out and they decide they want to stop selling it, honey, I will not be a happy camper. So that's just a little bit on how I feel about Becca. So if you guys want to check that out, you can do that as well. They can be found at Sephora and Ulta, but I know for a fact that Ulta sells the this type of foundation. Ulta sells this. I'm not sure if Sephora does. So yeah, so that's Becca. And then the next one that I'm going to mention is the Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. This is also geared to women of color. Makeup Forever is a brand that has different shades and concealers and foundations for women of color. And I think that the range that they have is good, especially for women that's a little darker than me, you know. So is Lancome, so I might as well mention Lancome as well. Because Lancome also have a different variety, a different range of foundations. I'm sorry, y'all. My son just walked. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So, yeah, as I was saying, Makeup Forever and Lancome, they also have different range of foundation shades and shades for women of color. And with the beauty industry being so competitive as it is now, and a lot of people going into beauty and stuff like that, which is awesome. I absolutely love it. Because I'm into it myself, you know, and I just became a YouTuber. So I absolutely love it. But I do want to mention that there are brands that, I'm not trying to make it seem harsh or be so mean, but I do want to be as honest as possible. But there are brands that will create a deep or rich shade for women of color. But when you try out the deep or the rich or the dark shade, it's not dark. You get what I'm saying? It's for tan skin or skin tones that's lighter. But these brands that I'm mentioning is definitely like that. I wouldn't even tell you anything that I wouldn't even recommend for myself, because as you can see from my skin tone, I'm like dark skin. So but I do want to say, let me just say one thing about the Lancome foundation. This is the Ultra 24-Hour Makeup Foundation by Lancome in the shade 550 Suede. I believe I used this in one of my videos. I really do like this foundation. I do. Sometimes I'm iffy about it. So you might hear me say I like it. Then the next time you might hear me say, it's okay. But that's because foundations have to grow on me. You know, some foundations have to grow on me. Some brands have to grow on me. Some products I may like in the beginning, and then down the line I might start to not like it, or I may not like it in the beginning and then it may grow on me. But this foundation, I like it. I do. Sometimes it depends on the look or the day. I don't know, honestly. But yeah, I do like Lancome. I love the range. I love the different variety of skin tones that they have. And I will always support brands like that, regardless if I do like you or not. Because you support women of color and dark-skinned women like myself, I will support you. So definitely check out Lancome. My mother loved Lancome. My mom loved, and she's a little lighter than me. She is brown skin, but she loved Lancome products. She loved the eyeliner, and because she don't wear makeup, you know how your parents are and the older people are, but she don't wear makeup, but she does wear the eyeliner, and she loved Lancome. So Lancome is really good for older people as well. The formula and the stuff that they use, they don't try to put too many chemicals in it, you know. So yeah, I would definitely suggest checking out Lancome. Check out Makeup Forever. Just go to a Sephora store or even go online and just check out the different range and shades that they have. And you will see what I'm talking about. Yeah. And then the very, 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 very last one that I'm going to mention in this video is the NARS. NARS brand itself is amazing, and I'm not just saying it because they do have because their products is geared towards women of color or dark skin, but the pigment in their eyeshadows, the pigment in their foundation. And this foundation is the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and this foundation is matte. It's so light, it's so lightweight, but it comes off as full coverage. So once you blend it in, once you put it on, you will see what I'm talking about. So I would definitely suggest, and you don't even need a lot to put on in this. This one is in the shade Benares, and it come off as orange on my face. But once I put it on and I blend it in and I go in with my contour and my face powder and stuff like that, everything will come together. But their eyeshadows is awesome, their foundations is awesome, their concealers is awesome. So definitely check NARS foundation out. And y'all, I'm going on 10 minutes in this video, and as I said, I was going to try and make it as quick as possible and make it a couple minutes. But I will have an updated one. I just decided to make this quick video because I was going through my my makeup and my foundations and stuff, and you know, I was just looking at the brands that are really geared towards women of color and dark skin, and the brands that aren't. And this video isn't sponsored in any way, at least not yet. This video is not sponsored. This is just my opinion, my 100% honest opinion that I'm going to share with you girls. So that will conclude the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you liked it. I did hope that I give you a little bit of insight. As I've stated, I will have an updated one coming up soon. I have to finish cleaning out this this makeup of mine because it's a mess, but I will have one on drugstore foundation as well. I have some of those that I can give a review on, and that's about it. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment and leave me positive feedback. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Brandi_so_lovely, which will be down below. Please share this video for all your friends. Let your mama know, your auntie know, your sister know, your daughter know. Let everybody know to watch Brandi Dion's channel. I will be bringing you so much amazing content. I have some amazing equipment coming. I have some things in store for you. And I'm just excited to start this YouTube journey. And I'm getting more and more comfortable. Here come Ashton, y'all. He wants to, that's my baby. He wants to say something. Say hi. Shh, okay. So yeah, so that will conclude the video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for everything. And I'll see you in the next video. Say peace. Bye.
Bye.